I was born in the workhouse, my father cold and dead. My mother struggled on, all on her own. My school days set the stage for times that lay ahead. Rogue and poet, then a soldier when I'd grown. Queensland dust beneath my boots, a horse between my knees. I broke the wildest stallion, became a breaker with great ease. I married Daisy May, later known as Bates, but that was over quickly, only just begun. Patterson, Lawson were my ballad writing mates, and then I earned my living with a gun. Oh, they called me out for murder, every soldier knew the score. Take no prisoners, they told me, in that dark and grubby war. I took them out and shot them, the rule was 303. But I was a colonial, so they had it in for me. Serving in the Transvaal, dispatch rider, then a scribe. My service well regarded, and I made it out alive. Back to England I was good friends with Captain Percy Hunt, engaged to marry sisters at ease on the home front. Back to war again with Percy, joined the Bushveld Carbineers, riding hard and fighting harder. It was music to our ears. The Boers, they shot poor Percy down, they stripped him and did worse. I thirsted for revenge then, and I sought to slake that thirst. Oh, they called me out for murder, every soldier knew the score. Take no prisoners, they told me, in that dark and grubby war. I took them out and shot them, the rule was 303. But I was a colonial, so they had it in for me. They brought me up on charges, they held a secret trial. They never told my country I was a scapegoat all the while. No letters to Australia, no chance and no appeal. Sentenced to a firing squad, a stinking coward's deal. Kitchener smoked his morning pipe and read my name with tea. The court had called for clemency, but that bastard butchered me. Blindfolded in the morning sun, I told them, take it off, shoot straight, you Scottish bastards, and do a proper job. And then back in my Australia, the story got around. The English shot an Aussie, and the story did the rounds. 80,000 signed for Whitman the year after I died. A law was written in '03 that turned the English tide. No Aussie executed by some far-off foreign power. That law will save us many men that courts sought to devour. Historians will tell you that it wasn't done for me, but I'll bet anything you like, lawmakers thought of me.